Okay, so let's continue. As long as we know what 1 millimeter is, we can find out how much millimeters is in the centimeter. Now we're going to do a little bit of reverse. Let's say I have 32 millimeter and I want to know how much it is in centimeter and millimeter. So we're actually doing the reverse for this one. So let's go ahead and see. If one millimeter equals, okay, if 10 millimeters equal 1 centimeter, then it's just basically knowing your 10 times table. So 20 millimeters will equals 2 centimeter, and 30 millimeter will equal 3 centimeter, 40 millimeter will equal 4 centimeter, and so forth. So little trick is you just use the first number. That will tell you how much centimeter it is. So how much centimeter is there in 32 millimeter? Well, I will put 30 millimeter, because there's 30 here, equals 3 centimeter. And then I have 2 millimeter, because it's 32. 30 is 3, and then we have 2 millimeter remaining. So my answer is 3 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Let's do another one. I'm going to put it here. Let's do a bigger number. Let's change 105 millimeter back to centimeter and millimeter. So I'm going to put 105 millimeter. Now they were trying to ask us how much is it in centimeter and millimeter. So we're converting it back to what it originally was. So I already know that 100, if I would continue this and you use your times table, your 10 times table, you would see that 50 would equal 5, 60 is 6, 70 is 7, 80 millimeters is 8 centimeters, 90 millimeters is 9 centimeters, 100 millimeters is 10 centimeters. So if you continue, you can see. So I will put 100 millimeter equals 10 centimeter, because 10 times 10 is 100. And then the remainder is 5 millimeter. And that gives me 5. So my answer is 10 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of this. Quick things to remember. Always just use, it maybe would help if you write out your little chart, 60 mm, 70 mm, 80 mm, 90, 100, then it continues to 110. All right, so basically you're counting by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. And then you can write out how much centimeter it is. This is 6 centimeter. This would be 7 centimeter. This would be 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter. So if I have another, let's do a last one. If I have 68 millimeter, and I'm trying to turn that into centimeter and millimeter, and you have to pay attention to the measurements because that could get a little confusing. I will look here. This is gonna be 60 because it's not at 70. 8 millimeters is less. So 60 millimeter equals 6 centimeter, and then I have 8 millimeters remaining. So I will have 6 centimeter, 8 millimeter. So that's how we do it.